thank you very much for coming to see us. Very much appreciate that. My name is Fritz Legler. I'm the marketing officer of STÄUBLI Textile. So what we are showing here at the ITM this year is we have launched a new automatic drawing in machine, what we call the SAFIR Pro S67, which is obviously dedicated for high productivity, for high quality requirements in the market. Turkey is a very important market for us in that regard, but also the African market, who are obviously investing more and more in this kind of automation technology. It's harder to find high-skilled labor, and the automation technology like automation, automatic drawing-in machines would help a lot, obviously, to overcome this hassle, if you like. But we're also showing the latest generation of our high-speed dobbies, what we call the S3280, which will enable, obviously, to increase the productivity and the sustainability of high-speed weaving. At the same time, we do that for our latest generation of Kohan machines. Here we're showing an SX Pro. We've launched the Pro line last year, and now we're extending that also into the market of Turkey or the African, Middle Eastern and African markets. Well, I don't actually see this being a big conflict. You know, automation, it makes sense where repetitive work can be done at a very high level of productivity, and skilled labor could move into new areas where it is very important, where you cannot specifically use automation yet. So to me, this is kind of a double approach, that you automate the jobs which are very hard for the worker, like drawing in. It's very complicated, it has to be very quick, it has to be all the time, it has to be 24/7. So if you can use automation for this kind of repetitive work, I think you're not taking away the jobs for the labor. Labor can do the preparation, can make sure that the automation technology is working right. They can make sure that afterwards the whole process, downstream processes, are very well kept on a very high level. I don't see this being a really big battle between people and automated machine technology. It's a good question. Look, we have to be very close to our customers. We have to fully understand what are their needs, the absolute requirements. We cannot just do what we think we should do. It's really understanding the needs and then very quickly come up with a solution. Be very innovative, but make sure that they get the benefits. And in doing so, I think we can always stay ahead of copiers. I mean, let's face it, we all, whatever technology you're looking at these days in textile machinery, there are too many copiers who try to get into our markets. And in doing so, we just have to be faster, closer to the customer, and very innovative. This will not change. The carpet weaving machines, you mean? I mean, that's a very important business for us as well. And what our customers very much like about this is we have very flexible machines. They can use different kinds of carpets on the same machine. And you know, they know the STÄUBLI Schönhair brand for a long time. We have customers everywhere, and they want an alternative. They need a second brand, obviously, which is providing even more benefits compared to maybe another brand offering the same technology. I totally agree. By the way, it's a very good question, because when it was the 4-yearly cycle, we really had the time to properly analyze as to what the customers would need, and obviously come along with solutions and prepare for a good market launch. Whereas now, there's maybe the expectation that because of the huge number of exhibitions, we come along with new machines every time. That's not possible, and I think that's not even what our customers expect. Okay, what we do, and what's always important, is we do product refinements, we optimize, we obviously improve whatever is needed for our customers. But I think the number of exhibitions we are seeing now, nobody is really profiting, neither our customers nor we ourselves. The only one that are profiting are the organizers of the exhibition. So I really hope that also together with all the machinery manufacturers, our customers are becoming maybe a little bit more sensible about these because it's a cost, and sometimes we prefer to stay home and do our homework and come along with absolute great new innovation for our customers. Right, I mean, there is always a market, there is always investment, maybe not on a very large scale, but there is investment in African countries, currently in Benin, obviously being new spinning weaving plants established. There is talk for further, let's say, investment in neighboring countries of Benin. There's always been a sizable textile industry in Nigeria, Kenya, or some of these countries. South Africa was obviously very well known for textile industry. North Africa, obviously in many of these countries there is investment going on. Maybe not to the same tune, same scale as in some of the other markets, but I think there will always be a future of investment for African countries. So the industrialization, the sustainability is gaining importance. Our customers are asking for that, and we want to make sure that we really deliver solutions that pay off for our customers. You know, energy consumption is always a huge topic. So we've launched new, as I explained before, for instance, a new Pro line of our job gun machines with new modules to do the selection, and with that we can reduce the power, the energy consumption by up to 30%. We do that on all our other machines, obviously, for instance on the automatic drawing in machines, as you see behind me, where the power consumption is much less compared to the previous technologies. Another one that we think is very important for our customers is that they can repair the machines, that they can maintain. So repairability, maintainability of our technology to prolong the life will be very important and a big contribution to environmental impact and footprint.